Low pressure in the central Mediterranean has brought some heavy rain and some flooding problems over recent days to the far south of Italy, including Sicily, where we've seen some flooding. There's more showers to come there. So this area of low pressure, the cloud that you can see here on the satellite image, isn't moving in a hurry. So by the time we get to Wednesday, more heavy downpours across the likes of Sicily, Malta, moving towards the south and the west of Greece as well. Meanwhile, elsewhere across Europe, some dry weather for Portugal, Spain in towards France and stretching down towards Turkey too. Warm and dry. Nicosia in Cyprus at 28 Celsius. Then as we move our way into the central Mediterranean, you can see the heavy showers affecting the south of Greece, into Sicily as well. Dry for the moment for much of Portugal and Spain, but this weather front out towards the west here will bring some rain by the time we get to the weekend. So turning mild and breezy for the UK and for Scandinavia, much warmer than it has been after the recent very cold weather across Sweden, for instance. Into Thursday, lots of dry weather through central parts of Europe, but still heavy downpours sitting in a similar area across central and southern parts of the Mediterranean. That could well develop further as we head on into Friday as well. So London, Paris and Madrid all seeing the weather turning more unsettled later in this week. Some rain in Rome by the time we get to Monday as well. Should be staying dry for Berlin with sunny spells in Athens too. Bye for now. Hello there. The vigorous low pressure that's been affecting western parts of the United States brought record-breaking amounts of rainfall to Sacramento and California. We've seen some flooding problems as well. This system is edging its way now gradually towards the east, so bringing some rain and some mountain snow across the Rockies. That will then continue its progress across the plains, redeveloping, bringing the threat of perhaps isolated tornadoes and large hail late on Tuesday into the overnight period as well. Meanwhile, we've also got an area of low pressure here, which is a nor'easter just sitting off the coast there in the Atlantic, bringing very heavy rain to parts of New England. But let's start off towards the west then. The next area of low pressure is moving in across British Columbia down towards Washington too, so more fairly heavy rain, some snow over the higher ground and gusty winds for the likes of Vancouver. A few showers into northern parts of California, but drier towards San Francisco. We're going to be keeping with the unsettled theme for Vancouver and Seattle over the next couple of days. San Francisco and Los Angeles do look to be staying dry. You can see the wind arrows on the map here for New England, Massachusetts, for instance, seeing gusts over 70 miles per hour. Very heavy rainfall for New York, for instance, as well. To the south of that, it's looking drier and pretty warm down towards the Gulf Coast, but there will be showers moving in from the west later on. So it's turning unsettled in both Atlanta and in Miami by Thursday. Bye-bye. Hello. Hurricane Rick made landfall in southern Mexico on Monday. That brought some heavy rain, some minor flooding problems and power outages as well. That system is now starting to weaken, just a few showers left on it. Meanwhile, for South America, we've had quite a bit of heavy rain already, and similar areas are going to be seeing heavy downpours again from Colombia all the way towards central and southern Brazil. This weather front here really pepping up those heavy showers, tropical downpours further north. So there could be some localised flooding impacts. You can see the green colours indicating these heavy showers. A little bit drier for the east and northeast of Brazil, but downpours affecting Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro too. To the south of that, though, lots of warm air for the far south of Brazil into northern Argentina and Paraguay. 35 Celsius for Buenos Aires. We could see 41 degrees somewhere towards the north of Argentina and into Paraguay, but still unsettled for Patagonia. Rio de Janeiro stays quite cloudy and showery over the next few days. More sunshine for Buenos Aires, just slowly cooling down a little bit. Now here are the remnants of ex-Hurricane Rick. Just see a few showers left through central and southern parts of Mexico, but still some flooding problems lingering. Meanwhile, across the Caribbean, some scattered showers around, but the showers may well turn heavier and more persistent across parts of Cuba in particular over the next few days. So a bit of a dip in the temperature in Havana with the arrival of those heavy showers. Some showers in Kingston by the weekend. Bye-bye. Low pressure in the Mediterranean is going to be bringing some heavy showers to the north of Africa over the next couple of days. You can see on the satellite image that cloud close to Tunisia and coastal parts of Algeria and Libya as well. So those are the areas likely to see those showers. Further south, we've also got some heavy downpours around the Gulf of Guinea for the likes of Guinea and Sierra Leone as well. Meanwhile, further east, temperatures warmer than average for Sudan and South Sudan as well. For southern Africa, some heavy showers for Namibia, Angola, stretching down towards Botswana, Swaziland and eastern parts of South Africa. But a warm day to come for Cape Town. It will be cooling down here a little bit later on in the week, and we'll see some sharp showers in Dakar for Thursday and into Friday as well. Meanwhile, for Tunis, we keep those heavy downpours, perhaps some thunderstorms over the next few days, but it does look drier here as we head on into the weekend. Now let's move on to the Middle East and across the Levant. Lots of sunshine, fairly quiet weather across Saudi Arabia and the Gulf as well. For Iran, some cooler air and some showers moving into the north of the country as a cold front moves out of the Caspian Sea. But further south, things are looking largely dry and settled. Perhaps 1 or 2 showers just around Muscat, for instance, over the next couple of days, but they will be few and far between. Things are looking generally dry and settled for Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh and for Kuwait too. Bye for now. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across South and Central Asia now. And we've had some heavy downpours over recent days lingering in the far south of India, particularly for Kerala, Tamil Nadu as well. Also the Maldives and Sri Lanka have been sitting underneath this shower cloud. That's sticking around over the next couple of days as well, so more heavy downpours here in the south. We're also seeing the rainfall pepping up in the Bay of Bengal, so some heavy showers for parts of northern Myanmar into the southeast of Bangladesh, and some of those showers are going to move on shore towards Odisha and Andhra Pradesh through the second half of this week. Meanwhile, across the far north of India, it's quite cool for the time of year. 1 or 2 fog patches, quite cool into parts of Nepal as well. We've had some heavy showers across the Caspian Sea. As they push their way southwards and eastwards, they're introducing cooler air to the likes of Ashgabat. Tashkent also seeing the arrival of a few showers and cooler conditions moving in as well. Lots of dry, sunny weather for Pakistan into the northwest of India. But as we move down the west coast, you can see the green colours here, indicating some really heavy showers, some thunderstorms, particularly affecting Kerala. A lot of dry weather further north, but 1 or 2 showers moving into the likes of West Bengal and across Bangladesh as well. It is going to be staying dry for Mumbai over the next 5 days or so, but plenty more heavy showers and the odd thunderstorm in Colombo as well. Meanwhile, we are going to be seeing temperatures on the dip with the arrival of some fairly heavy showers over the next few days in Tashkent. Bye-bye. Hello there. Heavy rain has brought flooding across some central parts of Vietnam, and there's more rain on the cards. We've got the potential for a tropical depression to form. You can see the cloud here associated with that system. Regardless of formation of a tropical cyclone or not, it is going to move inland though across central and southern Vietnam, bringing some really heavy rain, again exacerbating the flooding problems that we've seen there recently. For Japan, a bit of a quieter day. We've got a few showers moving in from the northwest, but there is a tropical storm Malu that's going to be moving close to the Bonin Islands to the south of Japan during the course of Thursday. For China, still quite a lot of dry weather on Wednesday, but we'll see some sharp showers developing later in the week. There's the heavy rain moving inland across parts of Vietnam, and there'll also be some sharp showers for Indonesia, particularly for Jakarta, Sulawesi and Borneo as well. Here's the outlook then, the next 5 days or so, and in Bangkok we'll see the arrival of some heavy downpours from Thursday onwards. For Australia, it's fairly cool, showery and breezy for Western Australia. Some showers affecting Perth, for instance. As a cold front makes its way eastwards, it's going to be very warm to the east of that. 31 there in Adelaide, bringing an enhanced fire risk to central and eastern parts during Wednesday. Across the Tasman Sea and low pressure is moving in. It's going to be bringing some showery weather across New Zealand, and the showers for the North Island could be quite heavy later on this week. Things are going to be cooling down for Melbourne, but warming up a bit in Perth over the next few days. Bye-bye.